Okay, so this week we've been talking about a new way to show addition and subtraction, and it's using the strip diagram. So on tonight's homework on number 7, I'm going to show you what that looks like. Number 7 says, draw a strip diagram and write an equation to find the difference between the areas of Liechtenstein and San Marino. One of the first things I notice is difference, and difference typically means we're going to be comparing. So we're going to be comparing Liechtenstein and San Marino. If you look over here at the top in the table, I see that San Marino is 24 and Liechtenstein is 62. So to start the strip diagram method, I'm going to draw my larger number, my bigger number, which is 62 for Liechtenstein. And I'm just going to label that bigger. And then my smaller number is 24, and 24 isn't even really half of 62. So I'm going to make my strip this small, and that's my smaller number. And this amount over here that's not labeled represents the difference. So I'm going to put a question mark there because that's what I'm trying to find, the difference between the two. I'm going to label it difference. Okay, and what we've been talking about also is the understand, plan, do, and check method. And one of the steps is to come up with an answer statement, what you're looking for. And the way we do that is just kind of reword the question. So the question is asking, what is the difference between Liechtenstein and San Marino? So I'm going to say, let's see, the difference between, and I'm going to abbreviate just to save time, Liechtenstein and San Marino is blank miles. And I know it's miles because it says miles in the table. Okay, so now I know that I'm trying to compare, and I know comparing means we need to find the difference, which is subtraction. So I'm going to take 62 minus 24. And I'm going to switch colors here to show the regrouping because I can see already that I'm going to be regrouping because I see a 2 in the ones place and a 4 at the bottom in the ones place. So I need to get more ones, and to do that I need to get a 10. So there's 6 tens now. When I take a 10 from that, I'm now going to have 5 tens. And that 10 I just took, I tell the kids to imagine breaking apart that 10 into 10 little ones. Well, I already have 2 little ones there, so that makes it 12 little ones. 12 ones minus 4 ones is 8 ones. 5 tens minus 2 tens is 3 tens. So 38 is how they are different, and you can show that right here, 38. 38 is how they are different. And another way, in UPDC, what you do is you check at the end. And the way we check subtraction is by using addition. So I tell them to draw a box around the bottom 2 numbers, and then just kind of draw an arrow to show that we are going to be adding this. So it doesn't matter which way you add, 24 plus 38 or 38 plus 24. I just like to move exactly what I see over. So I'm just going to do 24 plus 38, and the goal is to hopefully get 62 as my answer. So 4 and 8 make 12. So 12 looks like this. So that means that those 2 ones need to stay in the ones place, and that 10 needs to go in the tens place where it belongs. So I have 3 plus 3, or 30 plus 30, which is 60. And it does match this, so 62 and 62. So I know I did my subtraction correct. And the final thing is to fill in my answer statement. The difference between Liechtenstein and San Marino is 38 miles. And that is the strategy of using a strip diagram.